Welcome to B1 lesson 27. Today we're going to be looking at other quantifiers, specifically both, either, and neither. They're all talking about two things, but in different ways. When I say both, it's talking about two things. When I say either, it's talking about two things. When I say neither, it's also talking about two things, but in a different way. We use both either and neither when we talk about two people or two things only, specifically two things or two people. Both, the two together. When I say A and B, all of them, the two together, I say both. When I say either, it means one or the other, means A or B. And when I say neither, I mean not one and not the other. What do I mean by that? I say not A and not B. Let me try to write that a little bit down here. It's either A, and B. Option A and option B. That's to say both. But here it is to say A or B. It's to choose between A or B. And when I say neither, means what? It means not A. I don't want A, and I don't want B. I don't also want B. Not A and not B. That's where we use neither. So let's continue with the first meaning and use of both. Both refers to two things together. As I said before, we can use both plus pronouns. We can use both of plus they plus they or my or this plus noun. Or we could also say both of, then we add noun. Remember, now I mean pronouns. Remember, we have several pronouns. We have personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, but here I mean actually the possessive pronouns. That's what I mean here, possessive pronoun. Both answers are correct. Both answers. Answers means the pronoun answers. Both of my friends are here. Both of my, then noun is friends, are here. Both of them agreed. Both of them as a possessive pronoun. Agreed. Like that. Let's see the word order with both. When we have be, both comes after verb to be. We say is, are plus be. And we could say also when we have other verbs which are not verb to be, both comes before the main verb. We have both plus other verbs. They are both tired. We both understand the lesson. The students have both finished. You see, when we have other verb, we start with both. When we have another verb, we start with both. But when we have verb to be like is, are, we have it first, then we have both later. Let's see the meaning and use of either. Either means one of the two, A or B. It is used when the choice is open, when you are allowed to choose what you want. You can choose A or you can choose B, whatever you want. You have either plus singular noun. Remember, because it is one of the two, it is a singular noun. Both, because it is A and B, you have to choose plural. It goes with the plural noun. But here it is a singular noun. Either plus singular noun, either of plus they or my or this, then here plural nouns. When you use either of, it should be followed by pronoun. Either of, then also pronoun. Either option is fine. Either of the answers is correct. Either of them can help. The arrangement with either, verb arrangement. It is usually a singular. It is considered as singular, not plural. Both is considered as a plural, simply like that. Depends on the structure you use. But here, either it is always considered as a singular thing, which means that when you use it with on he, she, it, and any other thing, the verb should have s. Remember s or es. Here we have either choice works. Either choice works. Either of the students is responsible. When we put it in a singular form here, like the first one there, you should know that it should have s on it. Either choice works. Either answer corresponds to 1 mark. Anything like that. Let's see the meaning of neither. Neither means not one and not the other. I don't want anything. Zero. I don't want anything. It gives a negative meaning. I can have neither plus singular noun, neither of plus they or my or these plus plural noun, neither of plus plural nouns. I mean the pronoun. And in this case, we have like neither answer is correct. But when we use either, we say either answer is correct. Don't put either, don't put it in plural. Remember, we said that either is a singular. Keep that in mind. Either is considered as a singular, so it should use is even when you use either. Either answer is correct. Neither answer is correct. When you say either answer is correct, it means like one of the two answer is correct, but I don't know which one, or I don't want to specify that. But when you say neither, means the A is wrong, B is wrong. Neither of the roads is safe. Neither of the roads is safe. Neither of them are green. Let's see important rules on neither. When we go into neither, neither already makes the sentence negative. It already makes the sentence negative. So, what do we need to do there? Or what do we need to understand there? Do not add another negative word because neither is already a negative. So when you add another negative, that's a double negative error. Where I can say neither option work. Neither option works. Neither option doesn't work. No. That's very, very, very wrong. Why is it very wrong? Why do I say that? This is very wrong. Because neither makes a sentence negative, and then you are adding in another negative here, which is doesn't, giving it a double negative thing, which is very wrong. So in that case, never do that. And remember, it also has to take an s because it is considered as a singular. Neither and either, they are considered as singular, so put s on the verb. Let's fill in the blanks here. You're going to choose between both either or neither. Dash dash students passed their exams. Dash dash answer is acceptable. Dash dash of the roads is open today. They are dash dash ready to start. Dash dash of my parents works here. Remember, I say that either and neither are considered to be singulars, which means here, when I say students, it is a plural noun, and remember, we only put pronoun when we have both plus pronoun as a structure. That's the only way. And here, because we have I mean, it is a singular verb. So if it is a singular verb, it goes with the either or neither. So you better choose the one that you want to prefer based on what you want to mean. Let's fill in the blanks here. Complete the sentences. Dash dash of my solutions is correct. Dash dash of the solutions is correct. We dash dash enjoyed the lesson. Dash dash option will solve the problem. Dash dash of the shops is open. The answers have dash dash been checked. Choose the correct quantifier. Dash dash of the two books is interesting. They dash dash understand the rules. Dash dash student knew the answer. You can choose dash dash side. Dash dash of them arrived late. Complete correctly. Dash dash choices are good. Dash dash of the teams deserve to win. We dash dash agreed immediately. Dash dash answer fits the question. Dash dash of the exam explanations was clear. Let's do the quiz. Choose both either or neither. Dash dash of the answers is correct. They are dash dash responsible for the task. Dash dash option will work for me. Dash dash of the candidates was selected. We dash dash understood the instructions. Thank you. Ciao ciao. See you later.